shimmering elegance wrapped in steel and painted in the breathtaking iris mist hue gave the 1965 Pontiac Bonneville Coupe a presence that still stops enthusiasts in their tracks today. Positioned as Pontiac's ultimate expression of style, luxury, and performance, the Bonneville had already established itself by the mid-1960s as the flagship of the brand, offering grandeur on par with Cadillac yet infused with Pontiac's unmistakable spirit of excitement. The 1965 model year was especially significant, debuting the new GMC body platform with sweeping lines, stacked headlamps, and a longer, wider stance that made the car appear both graceful and powerful at once. Beneath the sculpted hood rested the heart of Pontiac engineering, the 380 cubic inch V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor, producing around 325 horsepower, perfectly blending performance with smooth drivability. This engine was part of Pontiac's renowned V8 family, which had evolved since the mid-1950s to deliver reliable strength across the lineup. Paired with either a hydromatic automatic or a manual transmission, the Bonneville catered to both cruising comfort and spirited driving, making it a symbol of versatility. Over the years, Pontiac updated the Bonneville with increasingly larger engines such as the 421 and later the 428, pushing output well above 350 horsepower by the late 1960s, ensuring it remained competitive against Buick Electra, Oldsmobile 98, and Chrysler New Yorker. Yet the 1965 Iris Mist example remains especially coveted, not only for its rarity of color, but also for its place in automotive design history. The wide track stance, the expansive chrome details, and the interior, trimmed with fine materials, captured the optimism of America's mid-60s motoring era. Today, finding a well-preserved or restored Iris Mist Bonneville Coupe is a rare delight, with values ranging widely from $35,000 to $70,000 depending on originality, condition, and documentation. Compared to its contemporaries, the Bonneville's balance of style and muscle continues to make it a standout choice for collectors who crave something both powerful and elegant. Its legacy resonates strongly among classic car enthusiasts, as it represented Pontiac at the peak of its design and engineering influence. The 1965 Pontiac Bonneville in Iris Mist remains more than a car. It is a rolling piece of art, a machine that embodies the passion of an era when automobiles were bold statements of individuality and ambition. Join us in celebrating legends like this. Share your thoughts and be a part of our community where every voice fuels the journey of automotive storytelling.